Tough quarter. I think everybody can agree to that. Shares down double digits. But you didn't change your rating. You still have it at outperform. You didn't change your price target, still at 120, where the rest of the street's at about 110. What are you seeing in the stock? What upside are you seeing that other people aren't seeing?
Yeah, look, I want to be clear. I mean, I recently upgraded Nike. I've been on the sidelines for a while and just recently upgraded. I upgraded this report. So, as I look at last night's report, I mean, look, it's messy. It's weak, right? But I think there's a silver lining here. I think this is, when I've been telling our clients, I think this is the last bad report. This is a clearing event. Nike's had its issues, but I think the biggest positive here, when I was talking with management last night, they get it. Okay, they're repositioning this company, and I think behind all this noise, behind the miss, like you highlighted, in the fourth quarter and the guide down fiscal 25, what we are seeing is that where Nike is putting in new innovation, the new products, those products are selling well. So that gives me confidence, that as we look over the next several quarters, couple of years, we will see an improving trajectory at Nike, and now you're getting the stock on sale.
So you're the person that has a lot of confidence in their innovation pipeline, because we spoke to an investor yesterday. They had some questions. A lot of your peers in the analyst community, they have questions about that innovation pipeline. UBS out with the note saying it takes about 18 to 24 months to get a new product online, but you're saying you have a lot of confidence. You know who else was talking to Nike management? Our Sarah Eisen. Some big issues here. I'm just looking at the things that she heard from them. The lifestyle business decline. I believe that includes Jordan and things like Air Force Ones, even though they're technically basketball shoes. Digital weakness from their direct-to-consumer business due to that higher share of lifestyle. And then traffic in China declined beginning in April based on macro. How big of a deal is the China part? Why don't we finish on the last one, or start on the last one?
Well, look, China is important really for two reasons. I mean, one, fundamentally that, it's a relatively decent sized business now for Nike. So when you have slower growth in China, that weighs upon total company results. So that's really the fundamental argument. For me, when I think about China, I think the bigger implication for Nike is the valuation of which the stock trades. Because anyone looking at Nike, especially from a longer term perspective, thinks the longer term growth trajectory of this business will be dictated more and more by China. Given the, Nike's still relatively small size in that very large market. So China's important, okay? They called out China again as, is weaker than they want it to be. China is one of the reasons they lowered further guidance for 25. But again, as I look out, okay, I still have a lot of confidence in the Nike brand within China.
All right, you're seeing it long term. I want to talk about more short term. So one of the things that management mentioned is that the NBA Finals, which honestly, they weren't great. It just went by so fast. But it was Jason Tatum against Luka Doncic. Both of them are Jordan athletes. They were really high on that. But I don't remember anybody talking about it. I'm a huge NBA fan. I don't think anybody was talking about the Jordan brand with the finals. Is that a read into the Olympics? A lot of people think the Olympics might be a boost for the company. The fact that Jordan and Nike didn't really come up during the finals, is that a read to the Olympics?
I don't know. I think one thing Nike does very, very well, even through these more difficult times with the company, is branding. And I know they're excited about the Olympics. They typically use the Olympics as a big branding event. I personally think the Paris Games this year will be an opportunity for Nike to introduce new products. I think it's going to be an opportunity for Nike to kind of reestablish this brand. So I think that's a positive. Is it a clearing? Is that an all-out positive? No. I mean, it's a step forward for Nike. I do think that's a positive. Frankly, I think the NBA is a positive too.